Hi, I'm Jesse from Synergy Home Buyers here in Jacksonville, Florida, and I'm looking to buy a few homes in the area, whether they're fixer-uppers or even nice homes like this. Most private buyers are looking for the rundown fixer-upper homes. I like those too, but I'm also looking to buy homes like this, the real nice ones that are just perfectly turnkey. I'm not one of those big companies that you might call and you'll get like 5 different people, someone else shows up and leave you in the dark during the whole process. Contract to close in 30 days, and I'm even gonna pay your closing costs. There's a lot of reasons you might wanna sell in less than 30 days. It could be your back taxes, it could be your delinquent or your mortgage. I will meet you at your home, and I pride myself on how responsive and attentive I am through the whole entire process. It could be in pre-foreclosure like this home. I have an awesome legal team behind me to get through all that stuff, so you have nothing to worry about. Now listen, if I can't help you, I can certainly point you in the right direction, and all this is at no cost. All you have to do is provide your information, I'll get on the phone, and we'll talk. I've helped hundreds of homeowners here in the Jacksonville area, including Clay County and St. Johns County. So if you have a home that's a fixer-upper or it's a nice house and you want to sell it fairly quickly, fill out your information below and somebody will call you within minutes.